say that?
Sheen.
Sheen. Sheen Hogam. And so on. Yeah, so hand to me the salt. Not with this. Even though when you give, it's Turdom is give me, but Sheen Hogam is hand me. So, and you have to just learn that the word Sheen takes Chig and the word Tur takes Do. Okay?
So the first one is Heen Shay and the next one is Sheen.
Yeah. This is a command. This is a command. This is the past tense. This is someone did it. This is saying do it. Okay. So haring kolam nota koiga euro.
Haring kolam nota koiga euro.
Amach asavalit. Agus hinshe chikie. Okay. And it says hinshi and target rashkiga. So handed she the money back to him. Okay. Hinshi and target rashkiga. Okay. Number 10. Mas mian lat and dochter ekail ni more ditch deutsch laka sa shumra fehiv. So mas mian lat is if you want. Okay, if it's a desire for you. Mas mian lat. And dochter ekail, the doctor to see. Ni more ditch, you have to. Deutsch laka, your place to take. Sa shumra fehiv. In the room of waiting. Okay. The word glock has a lot of different uses. General idea is to take, though. Okay, and just kind of have to sort out when you use one word meaning to take as opposed to another. Okay, glock also means to accept something. Okay. So, mas mian lat and dochter ekoil. Ni more ditch deutsch glocka. Sa shomra fehiv. Fehiv. Yeah, fehiv with E-A-M-H is waiting. Fehiv with I-M-H is of waiting. So room of waiting. Okay. So let's do a couple things with this one. So if we wanted to say if he wants to see the doctor, he has to take his place in the waiting room. What would you change?
Lat.
Okay, lat becomes what for him?
Lesh.
Lesh. So mas mi and lesh. And doctor ekail. Ni more do. Okay, so mas mi and lesh. And doctor ekail. Ni more do. Ni more do. What's next? What changes next? What changes that? What's the next thing that changes? Right. So Aflata. We can do the rest of. So mas mi and lesh and doctor ekail ni more do Aflata. So if he wants to, the doctor to see ni more do, he has to, his place to take. Okay. Now what if it's for her? Okay, mas mi and lay. So if she wants to, and doctor ekail ni more G. Ahoit. Ahoit Aglaka. So her place to take. Yeah, Ahoit Aglaka. Okay? Alright. So let's go to number 11. Skjob kolum an nota wahi, hog sul ieta urhi, agus dil an shomer fehiv. Okay? So skjob is snatched. Okay, so snatched colon the note from her, wahi. Hog sul ieta urhi, and cast a wild glance at her. I guess Dill is returned, Aaron Shoma Fehev, to the waiting room. Okay?
Is that Bill?
Dill.
Bill.
Bill means return, Dill, he returned.
And Shomer
Get another typo in here. Oh, there. Okay.
The wild is pronounced Feth, Feta?
Fiata, but Sul is feminine, so it becomes Sul Ieta, gets lenited.
Sul, Iat.
Yeah.
The H makes it sound like
Yeah. Okay. So, so here the word tour, which means to give or to take, in this case means to cast or something, cast a wild glance at her or something, give her a wild look. Okay. Now, Shomer Fehev is a waiting room. Literally, it's a room of waiting. Okay, and we had a couple others that have either shown up in here or related. So, first of all, Fehev means waiting. Okay, so the word Fehev is waiting or to wait, and so waiting room is a room of waiting. And Shomer Fehev. Okay, the room of waiting. Another one we'd seen was in Chailach, which is the family. So the family room, and Shomer Chaili. Okay, and the doctor and doctor, and the doctor's room, Shomra and Doctora. Okay, and the teacher and Moonchor, the teacher's room, Shomra and Moonchora. Okay, and so typically the an goes in the middle. You say the teacher's room, or the room of the teacher becomes room of the teacher, Shomra and Unchora, and the doctor's room of the doctor, Shomra and Doctora. So Shomra's room, an means of the, and Doctora means of doctor. Okay? So you notice there's a spelling change. Now, for some words like waiting room and family room, which kind of are a unit, the an goes in front. So you have in Shomra Fehev. You don't really say Shomra and Fehev. It doesn't make sense in Irish. Or Shomra and Ehev. Okay. So, let's read the sentence. So, Skub kolom and nota wahi. Hog sul ieta urhi. Agus dil erin shomer fehev. And 12. Hisha shias goduach agus haisha ehein in irish arish. So, yeah, so Hisha shias goduach agus haisha ehein in irish arish. So sat he down, Hisha shias goduach is gloomily, agus haisha, and buried or inserted himself, ehein in irish in a magazine, arish. Okay. What we're going to do is do a bingo game and then we'll take a break.